Hi guys, Kim Cash here. I'm trying to make some new St. Paddy's Day decorations, and one of the things I thought I'd do is make a garland out of shamrocks. So I drew this pattern on a piece of cardboard. Let me see if you can see that. It's just a shamrock. And then what I'm doing is laying it on some fabric and just going to cut it out and then sew it all together. Stuff them and sew it together. So if you're interested in this craft, just keep watching. Okay, so I took some of this polyfill, which is just a like a loose fiber. I'll show you, for dolls and stuffing pillows and things. It just looks kind of like this, kind of like cotton, but more foamy. And I stuffed it into my garland that I was working on, and I'll show you. Just tie this up. So I sewed around the garland, which I showed you in the video, but I left a little hole on each of these shamrocks. And then I stuffed it with the fiber. There, you can see it. Let's see. And I used one of my handy dandy tools is a bamboo skewer. I use it for pretty much everything. So if it wouldn't fit in there, I just use the bamboo skewer that I use for making shish kebabs on a barbecue in the summer a lot. And I just stuffed it in there like that. And I took this is just some garden, what I use to tie up my plants in the garden. And I used that. I put it in between the two sides of the shamrocks so that it would sew it together. As you can see, let me stand back a little bit. So I made this garland and I stuffed it, and now all I have to do is sew up the little openings. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So just keep watching. Okay, so there you have it, my garland, and I'm going to hang it up in the bathroom and I'll come back and show you. Okay, so there you see my garland up on my shower, and I'll see if I can go in and just show you how it looks. Let's see if I can go. Oh, I'm going out. Let's go in. But it just adds a touch of St. Paddy's Day to the house. And it was a simple project that I made just out of leftover scraps of fabric. And so I'm going to go out again. And just by putting like a green towel or a green mat, greenish blue mat, and the green shamrock garland, you can see as you walk in the bathroom, it just adds a touch of St. Paddy's Day. It's not a big deal, but I like to have little touches of the holidays. So I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make garland out of some leftover scraps of fabric, or you could just get some green fabric, green and kind of, I guess mine is green and kind of bluish. Let's see, you can see it behind me. And then adding maybe a green bath mat and some green towels. You could spruce up your house for the holiday. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. And thanks for watching. Bye.